Welcome back. In previous session, we filled this form. We gave the name, email, and message. And I told you we can see this message in the registered email ID. So through which email ID you have created this website. So you will get this message to that mail only. I will show you. Yeah. So this is the message we received in the email. You will get a message like this. When you click on that, so it will show Jyotirbai Jadam contact me. Okay. So you means you got the information from the contact me page. So this is Jyotirbai and my team members email ID, and it was a test message. Okay. So I'm going to, okay. Yeah. So this is how we will see the message. So now as per the appearance and customize, we have customized 90% of the website. So now see, let's just go through again all the options. Site identity we have covered, the colors and backgrounds, fonts, header image, menus, content options, widgets, home pages, feature content. Okay, and feature content portfolio and additional CSS. As of now, we don't need that one. So over a period of time, you will know by yourself. Okay. So now, okay, you have designed this website, and um, yeah, and along with you, your team will be working on this website. So you need to give access to your team also. So what you will do? So do you give password, ID and password to your team members? That is not safe. So what you can do is you can give access to your team members also. So see, in this dashboard, you will see one option users. Okay, this is the option from where we can give access to your team members. So if you click on all users, who are the users using this website, you can see those people. I think I told you, I don't remember. So add new user. So if you click on add new user, just I will give, this is my email id, another main email id. So I'm going to give access to this email id, and let's check how it will work. Okay, so I'm giving this email ID, and role also we can give. Okay, administrator means entire permissions we can give. Even the person can delete that one. And editor means little less permissions. And author, they can only publish some content. And contributor, they can publish as per the permissions given to them, right? So now, as of now, I'm giving the editor option. Okay, so editor option, this is the email, and click on send invitation. Invitation has been sent. So let's check. Yeah, just now I have sent this invitation, and the invitation will be like this. The Hyderabad invited you. My pen name is the Hyderabad. Okay, so if you accept that, you will be the editor of that website. So by this, we have completed almost all the options which are important for you. So, and we also created some pages and also the content, and we added some images. And if you want to add videos, that also you can do. Let's check how to add videos to your content. Okay, let's click on that page. Okay, any page, experience. Okay, I'm going to edit this page. The why I'm again going to this page is I showed you how to add images, I showed you how to add content, but I didn't showed you how to add the videos. Okay, so this is my website, sorry, the experience page, and here I want to showcase my work in a video form. Okay, actually digital marketing consultant and digital marketing manager. So here I didn't mention anywhere like I'm a video editor. For example, if I mention that I'm a video editor, so I want to showcase what all the videos I edit, right? So now what I will do is click here. Okay, yeah, browse all and click on video. If you have time, you can search here where is the video karke. So here we can see the video, or YouTube also you can see. Video means you need to upload the video, so it will occupy some space from your website. and this free website will come with only 1 GB, right? So if you upload video, any video, so it will occupy your space will be completed. So better you give the link. So what you can do is, YouTube, if you upload any video in YouTube, you can just give the link, so it will not take any space from your website. YouTube, yeah. So YouTube is available here. So I'm clicking on YouTube, okay, and then just any video, take any video. This is just my experimental video. So most of these videos in this channel will be private only, so that's why you won't find many subscribers for this channel. Even if people subscribe also, they won't find much videos in this, because this is for only students. Whenever I upload any important video, I will share with my students privately, so you can't even see views. So while when I started getting, when we started working on AI created videos and images, I just created this video. So I'm going to paste this content there. Share, copy. Let's see. So here the URL. Yeah. So like this, it will appear. So I'm going to click on save. Okay. And then go back. Let's check the website. Okay. This is from the My Experience page, right? So click on, this is a website. So yeah, yesterday we have completed all these pages, right? So clicking on experience page, and here you can see the video very beautifully. It will display the video. So don't add too many videos. So wherever you want to add any video, just add the link of that video. Create one YouTube channel, it's free. So you upload all those important videos, and you can give that link here, so that your space will be saved. Okay, once you complete all the space, it will not allow you to upload any videos or any content. Again, it will be difficult, but till now I didn't faced any such type of difficulty. Though they give only, there they will tell they will give only 1 GB, but I have uploaded many videos and many images. I never faced any problem, but in future they may restrict the space. Okay, so thank you.